Hello children, welcome back. Priya Miss is here. We have learned that water is very precious. We must not waste it. So, we all must help to save water. Use water only when it is needed. Water used for washing vegetables or grains can be used for watering plants. If we keep wasting water, then that day is not far when we may not get water in future. So, we should take care about it. Look at this page number 104. Observe this poster. Look at this box given below the sun. The sun helps the plant make food. Look at this purple box. Water helps the plant grow. Trees give us so many things we need. So, help save them. Now, see the brown cloud. The message is given. Trees take in carbon dioxide, which we don't want, and give us oxygen. So, children, you have observed this poster of Save Our Earth, and we read the messages written on the poster. So, in the same way, you also have to make a poster on Save Water on your own. Children, while making a poster on Save Water, you can draw anything which you would like to draw. Also, you can write any messages, but it should be related to Save Water. Keep in mind that you have to make a poster on Save Water. Save Our Earth. This poster is for just to get idea for making poster. The poster which you are making should have pictures and messages related to Save Water. I would like to show you some posters on Save Water. Look at these images to get more ideas. Look at this page number 105, question number 2. Write here, what do you want to draw and write in your poster. Look at this question number 3. Make the first draft of your poster in the given space. Draft means a preliminary version of a piece of writing. You can write here the message which you are going to write on the poster. For example, you can write, keep me clean. Save water and it will save you. Save water, save nature. Water is precious. Precious means valuable. Save water, save life and save the world. Save every drop. Stop me from getting dirty. So children, in this way you can write some messages below the picture. You can search on the Google to get more ideas, but while searching it, take your parents' help. You have to take a drawing sheet or a chart. Give heading on the top, Save Water, with the color pen. Then start drawing pictures related to Save Water, and below the pictures write the message of it. Color the pictures. You can show your creativity on the poster. After making a poster, write your experience of making it on the page number 105 in the given lines. In this way, complete this activity. Now, let's see our next activity. Look at this next page number 106. I present. Objectives to make a presentation. Actually, you had to present it in your class, but now you will do it at home. Now, take a chart paper, sketch pens and some pencils. You have to write the information based on your learning on this chart or page. Look at this boy. who has prepared a chart based on his learning. You all have learnt many things about water through the poems and the stories in previous videos. Remember some points and write it on the chart or paper properly, as this child has done in this chart. Now, for presenting chart, you have to record your video. While recording the video, chart should be in your hand or you can paste it on the wall. While recording the video, chart and you should be visible clearly. Wear our school uniform and also take care about background sounds. While recording, keep eye contact with the camera. Speak clearly. Refer to the chart whenever necessary. Children, in this way, complete these 2 activities and send it on given email IDs. Note that these are 2 activities. First, make a poster on Save Water, and second is presentation of the chart based on your learning. Means whatever you have learned from the poem Where Am I to Dirty Water lesson, select few points and write on the chart and present it. Now look at this culmination part, page number 107 and 108. These are our revision part. We have already learnt it. Complete these page number 107 and 108 whenever we will send it for the homework. Thank you. Take care.